Hi everyone, it's Aisha Beau here, and in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing some products that I got from the online marketplace, iHerb. So much for tuning into this week's video. I am really excited about this one because I'll be unboxing some products that I recently ordered from iHerb. And let me tell you, if you're someone who's obsessed with online shopping like I am, iHerb is definitely the place that you need to check out. iHerb offers over 30,000 different products from a variety of categories like beauty, bath, nutrition, supplements, baby, pets, everything, grocery, you name it. And it's literally a one-stop shop where you can order these products and have them delivered directly to your door. So when I discovered it, I was like, yes, I need to check it out, because I don't know about you, but I'm obsessed with online shopping. Like, going into a store these days is so tedious for me. So iHerb was definitely a great solution. And in this video, I'm going to show you all the items that I've gotten. I got a little bit of things for I got a few items for myself, for my fiance, my pet, for the house in general, and I just want to show you the variety that iHerb has. And this month, September, iHerb is actually celebrating their 25th anniversary. So throughout the month, they're gonna have some amazing discounts available. So if you haven't already shopped there, I definitely feel like this is the time where you need to check it out. So without further ado, let me get into this unboxing so you can see what I got. All right, so let me go through these boxes one at a time and just show you everything that I got. Y'all, when I tell you I'm so excited, I really mean it, because I just love getting things delivered to my door, you know? So one of the first things that I got were these amazing calming bites. So these are clearly for my cat Pepper. You probably have seen her running around in the back of my videos, and she's a really, fiery one. I don't know, she's sitting over here, she's chilling. She sees a camera out, so she obviously wants to be part of the video. But she sometimes gets a little bit anxious, and I thought these would be really perfect to add to her routine. They help with calmness, composure, relaxation, all that good stuff. So I am really excited to give these a try, and hopefully she loves them. And the next set of items I got are all for the skincare. I got a variety of lotion for the household. We can never be too moisturized in my household, so I made sure to get something that we all love. I got some men's cream for my fiance, which I know he's gonna be really excited about. He likes products specifically for him, so I think he'll be really excited about this. Also, we got some Aveeno daily moisturizing lotion as well. You can never go wrong with a brand like Aveeno. I also got a smaller version of this for when we're traveling. We're gonna be leaving for our wedding soon, so I wanted one that I could easily put into our suitcase that we can use while we're away. I also got this amazing body lotion from Nubian Heritage, and it's their goat's milk and chai lotion. I've actually used this brand before, and I love their lotions, and it smells so good. It's probably closed. Yeah, it's closed, but it smells really good. Like I said, I've used it before, and I would absolutely recommend giving this a try. It leaves your skin feeling so smooth and moisturized for the entire day. So this is my my little body skincare set that I ordered. Not necessarily a set, but a little group that I ordered from iHerb. And as you can see, there's so many different brands: Nivea, Aveeno, Nubian Heritage. And I thought it was really cool when I saw Nubian Heritage on their website, because I'd gotten their products previously, but I didn't know where I could actually purchase them for myself. So knowing that iHerb has them is really great. And the next set of products are for our household. We got some dishwasher pods from the brand Mild by Nature, and this is actually one of iHerb's actual signature brands, as well as these dryer sheets that are from Mind by Nature as well. They're from iHerb signature brands, and along with carrying a number of different brands, iHerb has their own, which is really, really great. And I can already smell, they already smell amazing. This one is lemon scent, which is really, really nice. And then these dryer sheets, oh my God, I can smell them through the box. I'm really, really excited because when I do laundry, I just love for my clothes to have that really fresh scent for like days to come. Like, I don't know, it just makes me feel like the clothes are cleaner when they smell like amazing. You know, and sometimes the detergent can kind of wear off, so the dryer sheets are an absolute must. And the next item that I got from iHerb is also from the Mild by Nature brand, and it's their Awake Essential Oil Blend. I love essential oils, and I have a number of them that help me to go to sleep at night that are infused with lavender, but I thought this one was really great because it's to help me be more awake, boost my energy, and I feel like this is something that'll be great for me to use in the mornings before I get my day started, before I start working, so I can really be, you know, ready to get things popping. So I am really excited to give this a try. I can smell this straight through the box, so I already know that I'm gonna love it. As mentioned, we're about to leave for our wedding very soon, and I'm in the mode of packing and prepping and getting all the items that we're gonna need while we're there. And when I saw these gold hydrogel eye patches, I was like, oh yes, I definitely need them, because you know, your girl wants to look fresh, renewed every single day of the trip, and these eye patches are the real deal. So I'm excited to be able to just pack them right in my suitcase and pop them on, you know, during the flight, because you know your eyes dry out while you're in the airplane, given the type of air that they have circulating throughout the aircraft. I also want them for all the mornings while I'm there in Portugal, so that I can look fresh and rejuvenated like a bride-to-be. And one of the next items that I got is this men's body wash by the brand Marlowe. I got this specifically for my fiance. Again, I just love to get him different beauty products and things to enhance his routine. Grooming products, because you know, men like have specific terminology for their type of products, but I like to get him different male grooming products to really enhance his routine. I feel like he'll like this. I've heard really great things about the brand Marlowe, so I'm really hoping that he enjoys it. And it comes in, this body wash has green tea extract, so I think that'll be nice and it'll feel nice against his skin. And the last item that I got in my lovely iHerb box is some honey. If you watched my video on how to make a cheese board, you know that I love some honey, okay? Honey is on every single one of my cheese boards, and so obviously I had to stock up on some, and this one is by the brand Wholesome, so I'm really excited to give this one a try and to incorporate it in my next cheese board, which I probably will over the weekend, because I have something planned that I would like to make a cheese board for. So yeah. So there you have it. Here are all of the amazing products that I got from iHerb. I'm really excited to incorporate them into our routine and show my fiance what I got for him. I know he'll be really excited and happy. And I'm gonna be linking to each of these products in my description box below. So if there was anything that you saw that you wanna get for yourself, they'll be right there for you to easily access them. Thank you so much again for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or feedback, please be sure to leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you know when my next video goes live. Thank you so much again for watching. Until next time.